Sweet and sour pork is one of the Chinese dishes that Koreans love eating. There is a decades-old debate about how best to eat it, whether to pour the sauce all over the fried pieces or dip an individual piece into the sauce. This controversy over pouring versus dipping originated from discussions of personal eating preferences. However, the debate is not only about how to eat sweet and sour pork, it is really a debate about the extent to which individual tastes should be respected. The question also serves as satire regarding having too many arguments over nothing and as a question of whether conflicts in Korean society exist over truly serious matters. Sweet and sour pork is a beloved Chinese dish among Koreans. It has sparked a long-standing debate on whether it's best to pour the sauce over the fried pieces or dip each piece individually. This pouring versus dipping controversy originally centered around personal eating preferences, but has evolved into a broader discussion about respecting individual tastes. It also serves as satire, highlighting arguments over trivial matters and questioning the seriousness of some conflicts in Korean society. If you pour the sauce on the fried pork, it becomes soggy, and you cannot enjoy the crispiness of sweet and sour pork. If you pour the sauce everywhere, the fried pork loses its crispiness, affecting your ability to savor the dish's delightful crunch. You can only experience the true taste of sweet and sour pork when the sauce seeps into the fried pieces and mixes well with the meat. The authentic flavor of sweet and sour pork is only achieved when the sauce gets inside each fried piece and blends deliciously with the meat. Dipping is unhygienic because everyone at the table shares the same sauce in one bowl. Dipping is unsanitary since everyone at the table shares the same sauce from a single bowl. Pouring does not respect individual tastes as it doesn't allow you to adjust the amount of sauce on each piece of fried pork. Pouring doesn't accommodate personal preferences since it isn't possible to choose how much sauce you want on each piece of pork.